Gesture. This is a quote from Nicolaides, The Natural Way to Draw, which is a seminal book on drawing from 1941. You should draw not what the thing looks like, nor even what it is, but what it is doing. To be able to see the gesture, you must be able to feel it in your own body. You should feel that you are doing whatever the model is doing. If you do not feel as the model feels, your drawing is only a map or a plan. So this is an example of a gesture to the right of a figure. What are gesture drawings? They're usually quick, often simple drawings that captures the essence, feeling, energy, movement, action, or pose of a subject. So you can see that these gestures are done a little differently. This one has curved lines, while this one has straight lines. But they're both still gestures. These drawings are meant to be quick and energetic, and often with an extreme buildup of lines. Follow the movement of your eye. Longer drawings don't allow you to work slower, but rather allow you to add more information, definition, and detail. You can use scribbled fast lines or straight lines, like we saw in the last example. Gesture drawing is an excellent exercise to help depict the energy, structure, and movement of a figure, or pretty much anything. Gesture drawing is a good way to begin a more sustained drawing. So you get the basics down, which will help you progression later. Here's some figures in motion, some gestures of some figures overlapping. These are very quick drawings. Here's an example of gesture as final artwork. So gestures can be artworks in themselves. And here's an artist who uses gesture as final artwork. This is a Matisse drawing. You can see how simplified it is. And what's really interesting to me, I like how certain areas that even disappear in the drawing and are not even drawn in, and our mind just completes the picture. Even the inside of this arm is missing. Here's some more Matisse artworks, more gestures as final artwork, two people and some flowers. You can see how nicely simplified and organic these forms are. Here's two more examples of gestures as final artwork. And you can see also once again that areas are kind of missing, and we still find it very pleasing as a drawing, even without all the parts being drawn in. And this are just some works that I found for sale at Cuttlefish Ink Store on Etsy. These are some gestures of some plants by Mark Lund, and it just shows you can make a gesture of something that's not moving, and we'll be doing that actually. So we'll be doing gestures of plants. You can see that it's not exactly the same, but things are similar. So it's just a feeling of what's going on in the drawing. It doesn't have to be totally precise. Not every single leaf is drawn down here. There's a lot of empty space. So, but enough is drawn to give you an idea of what's happening within the drawing. Here's another example, and you can see that it's been very reduced down to some simplified forms. And we'll be drawing landscape later on in the semester, and doing gestures of plants will really help you to learn to simplify things for your landscape drawings later on. Here's some gestures of animals. We're also going to be doing gestures of animals later in the semester. And these are some 30-second animals from Bill Robinson, using very nice simplified forms that you can see within here. Look at these circles, relies heavily upon circles in all of these forms pretty much that I see. And then here's another set of examples by Bill Robinson, also 30-second gestures of just some more animals. You'll notice they don't really have eyes. Well, this one does, but most of them don't really have eyes or details. They're just quick sketches, but you kind of can tell what the animals are already. So it's pretty successful. And that's all the gesture drawings that I have to show for my lecture. Thank you.